Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to redeem Steam keys in just a few steps. So let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is we need to go to the Steam application or software, and after that guys, you go to the upper left corner and you will see a bunch of menu here, and you just have to find the games, and of course click that one and choose the activate a product on Steam. So click that one and activate a product on Steam will pop up on your screen, and there's a policy here or a bunch of text here. Just have to agree this one guys. So click the agree button. Okay. So enter your product code. So it says that by entering your code, you'll be registering your product with Steam and adding it to the library. So you can enter code distributed with a retail CD or DVD on the. So for me, guys, I don't have one. So if you have one, guys, you just have to put in here. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's how are you going to redeem your Steam key. Okay, so I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials. So please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Steam. Thank you.